Hey guys, you are joining me from the garage for probably the last time this year. It is getting cold here in Minneapolis and I don't have a heated garage, so that's going to limit what I can do here. But with that said, I am still hoping to get this thing up on quick jacks and just try to perform a transmission filter and fluid and transgo valve install on the valve body, just to see what happens, and also obviously to look to see if there's any obvious leaks in the transmission, like output shaft seal or something. But as you can see, it's been cleaned up a bit. It's got some polish on it, some ceramic coating on it, so it's looking better, or at least it's kind of protected for the winter months here, because it may get put out into the driveway and put under a car cover. But I've got a few things to do after looking the car over now. It needs the flap arm here is broken on the intake flap actuator, and they do still freely move, so that's a good sign. Aside from that, windows work. It needs, the headliner needs a little bit of adhesive. And aside from that, I've got just a variety of little projects and things to do. I may try to get a little bullet heater in here or something so I can tackle a few things during the winter months as well, and keep some content coming. I do actually have a few other things that I'm working on that those videos will drop, including kind of my car history, and I'm going to kind of invite you to talk about your car histories as well. You may recall I mentioned the virtual car show. So far, I've not had enough submissions to put anything together for that, so that is, I guess, on hold. But we are, nearing 1,000 subscribers at this point, so hopefully things will pick up if we get more vintage Audi fans or vintage Audi S series fans in here. So obviously C4, C5, D2. That's kind of what we're going to focus on, obviously. But yeah, it's looking like a wheel and tire store in here right now. Got everything transferred over, like I said, except for this car. Red car's away for winter. But yeah, more coming soon. Oh, and real quick, before I go, I wanted to mention a kind of a cool website that I've been playing with and using. But there's a site called Common Gear, and I'll put a link to it in the description. But it's kind of a cool car profile site where you can put your vehicles on there, but you can also track your maintenance, which I like, because you can just build your maintenance history into the site and add photos and receipts and everything else. So I've been using, here in the States we have Carfax, so I've been using the Carfax maintenance feature, which also kind of pulls in registration data and some shop data, depending on the shop. But I kind of like the format at Common Gear better in many ways because of the photos and everything else. So no affiliation, other than the creator of the site actually was a member of the S-CAR Preservation Society and a former C4 S-CAR owner. So that's kind of cool. He's based, I think, in the Northeast United States. But check it out. It's pretty cool. Anyhow, that's it for now. I know, short video, but we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.